What is going on, hustlers, and welcome back to Hustlepedia. Today, I want to dive in to some portfolio allocation strategies, basically just percentages of where you can be putting your assets this Q4 as far as taking advantage of the bull run. And I'm going to cover every spectrum. I'm going to cover from top level conservative to top level degen. If you are trying to be a little more conservative, capitalize on Bitcoin, Ethereum, alt season, all that good stuff, and mainly ride that wave up here in Q4. Or if you want to dumb yourself down in Bitcoin a little bit, dumb yourself down in Ethereum and blue chip alts, and you really want to try to capitalize on like the small cap upcoming DeFi, small cap crypto gaming coins. I have portfolio allocation strategies for every single style investor. So I want to just get into this video. I want to make it a little bit quick, but a lot of people on my Telegram channel have been kind of asking overall where I'm putting my chips, percentages, out of, let's just say, for example, we'll make a $10,000 example out of these pie charts to make it very easy. So $10,000 will be our base unit used in these videos. And keep in mind, guys, I am not an investment advisor, but I am just laying out a couple different allocation strategies that you can roll out in this Q4 to potentially maximize your gains, absolutely change your wealth at this moment, and create not only a legitimate portfolio behind this, but be able to capitalize in gains from all areas of the blockchain. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. If you are new to the channel, if you are loving crypto gaming, DeFi, all that good stuff, be sure to hit the subscribe button. We come out with brand new crypto gaming and altcoin and DeFi videos here every single day on the channel. And be sure to like the video if you enjoyed the video. I have 4 different portfolio allocations we're going to go over today. Now, like I said, I have something for every single style investor. And yes, every one of them will involve these 6 categories. These 6 categories here are the main categories that I am looking to capitalize on and for major run-ups in Q4. NFTs by themselves, guys, are excluded. I am talking about tokens. I am talking about your cryptocurrency portfolio, your token portfolio. This is NFTs excluded. NFT gaming is included though. So crypto gaming coins. If it's a crypto gaming project that is openly tradable, that falls into these categories. So the categories in these portfolio allocations is Bitcoin, Ethereum, blue chip alts, upcoming DeFi, crypto large cap, and crypto gaming small cap. So we'll get into every single different method. We're starting from conservative down. So this is the most conservative that I would go. We'll get into it here. And I want to explain a couple difference between key methodology. So I know a lot of people out there, a lot of people say you should hold 50% in Bitcoin. That is a lot of people's sentiments out there, that you should hold 50% in Bitcoin. Now, it all just depends on your style. It all just depends on your investment, your risk tolerance, where you are at. Are you a new investor? Have you been in crypto for years? Have you seen a bull run before? Have you not? All that good stuff. So right now, we're going to start at very conservative. I would allocate, if I'm looking to ride Bitcoin to the top, ride Ethereum's gains, ride altcoins like Avalanche, Solana, Cardano, and I do think, guys, Cardano will go up in this bull run. I literally think this will go up during this bull run. Cardano's been stuck for a while, but I think it will surge. The Avalanches, the Solanas, the Cardanos, the Polkadots, that falls into the blue chip alts, the Harmony ones, all that good stuff, the Phantoms. Those will fill up this spot for blue chip alts. You're going to have 10% in Ethereum, 40% in Bitcoin. So you're going to have literally 70% of your portfolio here in the conservative side, mainly in top 100. You're going to be mainly dealing in top 50, top 100 coins. You're going to have that Bitcoin ride up where everyone's saying it's going to 100K. It's going to 100K. So you're going to be able to ride up Bitcoin here with this allocation right here. You're going to be able to take advantage of Ethereum's run. You're going to be able to take advantage of alt season. That is 70% of your portfolio in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or blue chip alts. Now, this is to start the bull run. These are all starting the bull run portfolio allocations. So definitely whenever Bitcoin starts topping above 100,000, that's the time you need to start moving those 40% Bitcoin gains either into stable coins to take profits, or you need to move them into other projects for either alt season, or whether you're going for your small caps or upcoming DeFi. These are all just methods and strategies to go about putting your chips up front the way that the market is trending right now. I think we're about to see a major run in Bitcoin, and this is one if you want to take advantage of that, but also have a little piece of the upcoming DeFi, like under Avalanche, under Solana, under Cardano, parachain auction, that type of stuff, the ADAXs, the Sunday swaps, the melds, that is classifying under upcoming DeFi, Trader Joe, Avalanche, all that kind of stuff that is building on these layer ones. I think that will fall into your 10% of upcoming DeFi. And these are small cap projects. They have the potential for explosive growth. And then you're also going to see the crypto large caps. These are ones like, your Axes, Decentraland, Sandbox, Illuviums, all that good stuff. And then your crypto gaming small caps. These are very speculative. These are very high risk. But even in a conservative portfolio, you want a little bit of high risk. You want a little bit of area that could be absolutely explosive. This is going to be like your Project Quantum's Qubit. It's going to be like your poker, your Virtue Poker. A lot of stuff like that that's under, I would say, under 50 million market cap as far as crypto gaming goes. And especially if it's under 25 million, definitely falls into that small cap. So you're going to have exposure to a lot of these explosive gain potentials in these small cap DeFi, the large cap crypto gaming, and the small cap crypto gaming, which is just now coming into the market and getting adoption. And then you're going to have 70% of this portfolio here in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and blue chip alts. It's basically assuring that you're going to be a part of this run up and that you are going to be a firm participant in the gains to be had on all three of the blue chip alts, ETH, and Bitcoin. My next portfolio strategy, you dumb down the Bitcoin just a little bit. We're going to go a little more aggressive into crypto games. So 30% in Bitcoin, 10% Ethereum, and 20% blue chip alts. This is 60% in basically top 100s. And if you notice, guys, the average person should not be I'm just like, the average person who's just getting into the market should not be degenning into $5 million market cap coins over building a backbone. In a bull run, a new investor needs to get a backbone, and that's what this is, the 30%, 10%, 20%, or in the example before, the 40%, 10%, 20%. So here, you're going to be a little more aggressive into crypto games in this portfolio stack. But with this, you're going to be able to still have 60% of your portfolio riding Bitcoin, riding Ethereum, riding the blue chip alts for alt season. And we know how big these gains can be in a bull run. We saw alts explode last bull run in 2017. We see the run when Bitcoin tops. All that money is going to flow down into the top 100 coins. You want to be a part of that. So this is still a more conservative approach. Not a degen approach, but you're going to have 10% in small cap gaming. You're going to have 20% in larger cap gaming. So when these crypto gaming coins start to explode, like the Sandbox, like Decentraland, like Illuvium, like Axie, there's a lot like Gala Games. There's a lot of large caps that you can have a good exposure to. Like Engine today, for example. Engine went up like 20% today. And this is not even really what they call alt season, guys. Alt season is going to be when money from Bitcoin starts flowing into the alts. That's whenever really alt season starts. And we're just seeing small run-ups right now on a lot of alts, which is good. And then you're going to have 10% in upcoming DeFi and 10% in small cap crypto gaming. So upcoming DeFi is typically small cap as well while it's building. So you're going to have 20% in small cap projects, 10 of it in crypto gaming projects, and 20% to those larger cap crypto gaming projects that are more stable, that aren't speculative, that really have product, have games out right now, have metaverses in the making, that kind of stuff. So this is a little more, it's conservative, but it's also a little more into the crypto gaming side. This allocation here is 40%. You're going to go 25% to Bitcoin, 15% to Ethereum, and 25% to alt season. This is where this is an alt season portfolio. So as you see, less than 50% here is allocated to Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to have 10% in upcoming DeFi. Blue chip alts, like I said, these are the Solanas, the Layer 1s, the Polkadots, the Avalanches, the Harmony 1s. Your upcoming DeFi stack, your small, up-and-coming, under under Layer 1s, the dApps that are building on Layer 1s. Your upcoming DeFi is 10% of your stack, 15% in large cap crypto gaming, and 10% in small cap crypto gaming. This portfolio here is more so taking advantage of alt season as well as the smaller cap crypto gaming, upcoming DeFi, and then your large cap taking up 15%. So this approach here, you're still going to have 65% mainly in top 100s, but you're going to have 35% here among crypto gaming and upcoming DeFi. I think this is a really good strategy. Alts are going to see more X's, right? Bitcoin, it could go 100,000. It could go 120,000 by the end of the year. But that's only a 2x from where we are right now, right? It's only like a 1.5x to 100,000. Alts are going to have explosive gains in Q4. We're talking 2, 3, 5, 10x on some alts, and you will see it. It's going to be crazy. There will be a point in the bull run where emotions will be running high for a lot of investors. A lot of investors are going to start seeing gains they have never seen before. A lot of newbies in the space haven't seen a bull run. So this is all, I'm trying to help people stay safe with their capital, but not only that, be able to get exposure into the small cap stuff, the explosive gains, that alt season blue chips, but also the upcoming DeFi and crypto gaming's adoption. I think crypto gaming, small and large cap, is going to boom in Q4. So this is still a little more conservative. You're going to be having 25% in Bitcoin, and that's the lowest I advise. I really do truly believe the lowest you should go is 25% allocation in Bitcoin if you want to be serious about building a portfolio in cryptocurrency. Now, I know the people out there that talk about why own Bitcoin because of what I just said. Even to 100,000, it's only a 2x gain. You want to have a backbone to your portfolio, guys. I always talk about in a crypto gaming portfolio, your backbone is the axes, is the engines, the polygons, the sandboxes, the Decentralands. Same kind of thing with a normal portfolio, guys. You want your backbones, and your backbones are going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and blue chip alts. And the biggest of those is Bitcoin. So 25%, and this is the last portfolio allocation example that we're going to go over today. And I recommend all four of these guys. I am not an investment advisor, like I said, but these are all good strategies to either play it conservative or this one's a little more aggressive, and we'll get into that. 25% in Bitcoin, 10% in Ethereum, and 15% in blue chip alts. A total of 50% of your stack is going to be in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and blue chip alts, giving you plenty of exposure to Bitcoin, giving you plenty of exposure to Ethereum's run up to 10,000 later this year, and giving you plenty of exposure to the blue chip alts in the run up that you're going to get from those layer ones and top 100 alts that the money's going to flow into after Bitcoin tops. But this one, you're going to go a little more aggressive. You're going to go 15% in your upcoming DeFis, your more speculative plays, your more up-and-coming, what is building on layer one blockchains, like your upcoming DEXs, launchpads, oracles, wallets, all that good stuff. That is what's going to classify under upcoming DeFi, apps, dApps, all that good stuff. These are usually smaller cap projects while they're upcoming, obviously, and usually during a bull run, guys, upcoming DeFi is going to boom, especially under the layer ones that classify as a blue chip alt. And then you're going to be having 15% in large cap crypto gaming and 20% in small cap crypto gaming for a 35% total allocation in crypto gaming. You might be asking me, why the heck is 35% of this other side of my stack in crypto gaming? Well, it's because over the next 3 months, 3 years, 5 years, the crypto gaming space is going to have the most gains across the entire sector. I can almost guarantee that with the adoption of NFTs, with the adoption of in-game ownership, with the adoption of play-to-earn technology, with more major players getting involved in the blockchain gaming space, when AAA titles like Illuvium, like Star Atlas actually release and get their product out there, and we actually start seeing gameplay for more AAA studio-style games, these things are going to surge. And there's a reason I cover so much crypto gaming on the channel. My most aggressive stack here would be 50% in those top 100s. But then I'm looking to get heavy into the small cap crypto games. Your pokers, your virtue pokers, your qubits. I'm trying to think of other small cap games. Chain Guardians, Gem Guardian. There's a lot of small cap games out there. I can't name them all off the top of my head. But then you have your large cap gaming, your exposure into the sandboxes and the Decentralands and the Axes, all that good stuff that is going to surge over the next few years as well. You know, Axie's not done running up. Sandbox is just getting started. Decentraland's just getting started. These partnerships that these platforms are forming are years and years and years in the making and years to come. So you're very early if you're in crypto gaming. And my most aggressive stack, I would put 35% into crypto gaming. I'd put 15% in my upcoming DeFis. And then I'd have my backbone. I would have my backbone portfolio, which is the Bitcoin, which is the ETH, and which is the top 100 alts. I don't recommend anyone to just go out here and completely YOLO. If you are participating in launch pads, IDOs, IGOs, that is a really good way to get involved in insane gains. I'm talking 15, 25, 50 X's, 100 X's. If you're able to participate on launch pads, gaming launch pads, all that good stuff. Engine Starter, CDeFi, these are good places to start. Chain Guardians has their own gaming launch pad. So there's a lot of options out there. Game Zone, that you can get really big gains as well. I know a lot of people in my Telegrams seem to be, they want the more degen gains, but at the same time, if I'm looking at managing my portfolio stack, I'm not putting it into 100% speculation myself. I'm looking to build a portfolio. If you are investing in the crypto markets with a degen mentality and you are playing with money you cannot afford to lose, that is a problem. So I'm not an investment advisor, guys, but I am playing this Q4 and all these portfolio examples. Mine's a little different than all these percentage-wise. I'm heavier into crypto gaming. I'm more like this side right here. But I've had gains over time, guys. I've been involved in crypto for a few years. I know what it's going to look like whenever alt season starts to hit, whenever Bitcoin starts to top, whenever we start seeing these different small cap projects surge. And then we're seeing the beginning of the crypto gaming wave right now. This video went a little longer than I wanted it to for just going over 4 different examples of crypto portfolio stacks. But I know my Telegram group and I know a lot of people on this channel and on YouTube need a little bit of structure to where to put their chips at the start of Q4. It's mid-October right now, the bull run. Bitcoin is at an all-time high yesterday. So we have a lot on the horizon as far as Bitcoin's new run-up, the price discovery up to 70, 80, 100,000. We're going to see ETH probably hit 10,000 before the end of the year. Then we're going to have altcoin season. And I think the upcoming DeFi, the large cap crypto games, and small cap crypto games will see explosive growth in that time. Any of these are good, but I want to just give a little bit of a structure for people who are either new to the space or need a little bit of guidance of where to place their chips in this bull run. So on the example of $10,000, you're looking at about $2,500 in Bitcoin, and you can do the math here. 1,000 in ETH, 1,500 in blue chip alts, 1,500 in upcoming DeFi, 1,500 in large cap crypto gaming, and 2,000 in small cap crypto gaming. So that is just an example of portfolio stacks, guys. I am not an investment advisor, but I just want to give a little bit of structure to people who could be new or people who might have never seen a bull run and how to allocate your chips from the most conservative to the most aggressive. And like I said, I'm not an investment advisor. I am just showing you exactly what I'm looking at, strategies that you can unroll this Q4 in order to spread out your stacks into different allocations, different sectors in the blockchain, and be able to take advantage of the bull run. Myself, I'm like a little bit of mix of all of it. I have a lot in crypto gaming. I have a lot in upcoming DeFi, but I have my backbone, guys. I have a lot in blue chip alts. I have my ETH. I have my Bitcoin. If you aren't holding those top 100s, at least for your backbone of your portfolio, I do think you're doing yourself a little bit of disservice. There are some people out there who don't hold any Bitcoin, and there's some people who will tell you if you hold anything less than 50% on Bitcoin, then you're crazy. So everyone has their own methodologies, guys. Take it with a grain of salt, but I'm looking for explosive gains in this Q4, and I think any of these portfolio allocations can get you there. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed the video on just sharing allocations on portfolios, just some ideas for your portfolio heading into the bull run as well. Leave your comments down below on where you are putting your money. What are your biggest movers, your predictions for the upcoming bull run? What are your biggest segments that you are going to be involved in? And let me know your portfolio allocation. I would love to hear all of that. I am just letting you know what I'm looking at. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, if you like crypto, if you like DeFi, if you like crypto gaming. We come out with new videos here every single day. I'll be back tomorrow with another video as always. Stay bullish, keep hustling. Peace.